Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. You might be wondering when your Windows was installed. And do you want to know when your Windows was installed? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how and when your Windows was installed. So let's get started. Now press and hold Windows key, then press R. Now when this dialog box appears, type in CMD. Alright, now enter, click on OK, or click on your start and search for CMD. Type in CMD. Alright, as it is here, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now click on yes, and on the command prompt type in system info and enter. Now just wait for it. It's going to load all the machine properties for you. Alright, as we are here, it has loaded finish. Now scroll up to see. You will be seeing the date and time your Windows was installed, the type of Windows. As you can see, the OS name, Microsoft Windows 10 Pro, and come down here, you see original install date, which is this. That is the date and time the Windows was being installed. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.